This video is only for qualified people who are very comfortable around electricity and propane appliances in an RV. I had a customer come in and say his water heater wouldn't light on propane. So I diagnosed it and found the thermal cutoff was open and went to replace it, and I was informed that he had just replaced it and it was open again. I spoke with my parts department and they said they have had customers coming in asking about this part also. These are on the new Dometic water heaters. So I contacted Dometic to find out what was going on, and they do have a way to reinstall this, and it's to bend it from left to right in a horizontal position as shown here. So I imagine what's going on here is this new water heater, the burner tube and the exhaust are very close together, and it's probably creating too much heat for those thermal cutoffs, and they're getting a lot of nuisance strips. As a reference, this is an old Atwood water heater, and you can see that the exhaust and the burner tube are offset, so you're less likely to get a nuisance open out of that device. So to diag it, you just, if you have voltage on the left side and no voltage on the right side there, that's open. You can also use a test light across there. That's a quick way to find out if that's open or not. You never ever want to bypass that. That would be dangerous. So once again, this is for qualified personnel who are comfortable around electricity and propane devices, and just to help people out if you keep replacing that thermal cutoff. Thanks.